Airbus 310. My mission will soon reach the end. Sahara is down under. I'm sitting here and wonder about my life down on Mother Earth. 37,000 feet above the ground, thinking about what life was left behind. All my friends and lovers, working pals and others, on my race since I left my place of birth. I've been a rover, I've been around the world all over, from town to town. So many places and faces I met, and I left some traces I rather forget. I've been in danger, I have met threats, I met so much anger, it's hard to forget. Under me I see the Mediterranean Sea. In that trapped boats they flee to be free. From war and from poverty, searching peace and liberty. Some succeed, some are meeting final fate. I see the crowd on the Western Balkan road. They are struggling 100,000 miles on foot. Europe is shaking, suicide bombs breaking in the name of God and the Caliphate. I see religion but no sign of God, all the traditions based on a fraud. I see what religions can do to the mind. I see all addictions of humankind. I see the worst of what people can do, hunger and thirst and hatred too. On an Airbus 310, my mission will soon reach the end. My love, I've been missing you. Soon I will be kissing you, holding you so close as never done before. Your country's under state of emergency. Each more I feel depression in you and me. But the burning love that we had cannot be killed by jihad. Troubled times should unite us even more. Jersey party, cause we are free, you and me. Jersey party, cause we are free, you and me. Now